I will explain about speed. Yesterday we had discussed about distance and displacement. So with depending on distance, speed is defined as distance traveled per unit time. Okay? Speed is depending on distance, and speed is defined as distance traveled per unit time. Means here we can calculate speed is represented with V. So speed is calculated as V equals to distance S by time. So this is the mathematical formula. Okay? Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance traveled per means division per unit time. See here, this is numerator and this is denominator. Distance traveled per unit time is called speed. Okay? Here units of speed. SI unit is meter per second. SI unit of distance meter. SI unit of time second. And Cbse unit centimeter per second. Centimeter is the Cbse unit of distance. Cbse also second only in time. Okay? So higher units or bigger units. Which means one of the we use kilometer per hour. Okay? So these are the units. And here another important point. Speed is a scalar quantity. Speed is a scalar quantity because here we already learned mathematical formula. Speed is equals to distance by time. Distance is a scalar and time is also scalar. So scalar by scalar, scalar only. Number by number, which means 4 by 4 I am taking. So 4 gets cancelled and number 1 will be there. So that is also a scalar, not a vector. Okay? Speed is a scalar quantity. And the relation between SI and bigger units. SI and bigger units. Here I am taking first 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 1 kilometer means 1000 meters by 1 hour means 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds, which means here 1 hour is equals to 60 minutes and here 1 minute is equals to 60 seconds. So if we multiply 60 into 60, we can get 1 hour equals to 3600 seconds. So in this 2 zeros gets cancelled. 2 table 5 times, 2 table 18 times. Okay. So here 1 kilometer per hour is equals to 5 by 18 times of meter per second. Okay, here 1 kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 times of meter per second. Okay, so here another important point is there from this. Here 1 meter per second is equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is another important point. Here I am transfer this fraction to this side. So I can get 1 meter per second equals to 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so this is the relation between SI and bigger units. This is relation. Okay, so these are the units and the relation between SI and bigger units. And here types of speeds. Before going to types of speeds, some examples. First one, convert 72 kmph into meter per second. Convert 72 kmph into meter per second means, here we already learned 1 kilometer per hour equals to 5 by 18 meter per second. Here we can represent 1 kilometer per hour as like this, or 1 kilometer per hour. P means per, kilometer per hour. Okay, and in sum they gave that 72 kilometer per hour. We have to convert this kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 72 into 1 kilometer per hour means 5 by 18 meter per second. 5 by 18 meter per second. I am substituted this value into here. I will explain clearly. See, 72 kilometer per hour. Here I am substitute the value of kilometer per hour is 5 by 18 meter per second. So here 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. Okay, so 18 ones are 18 fours are 4 5s 20 meter per second. Okay, see here 72 kilometer per hour is written as 72 into 5 by 18 meter per second. 18 ones are 18 fours are 4 5s 20 meter per second. If we verify, we have to convert this into kilometer per hour. So 20 meter per second means, here 1 meter per second means 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. Okay, so substitute this value into this. So 1 meter per second means this. So 8 into 18 by 5 kilometer per hour. 5 ones are 5 fours are 4 into 18 72 kilometer per hour. Okay, these values are same. Okay, like this we can convert bigger units to smaller units and smaller units to bigger units. Okay, here another in speed subtopic. Types of speeds. Types of speeds. Here in this first one, uniform speed. Uniform speed. Uniform speed means equal distances in equal interval of time. Equal distances in equal interval of time means, here I am taking, this is from starting and this is ending position. Okay, so this total distance is 15 kilometers. Okay, so here this is the mid of the way. Okay, so this is rest. Rest means initial velocity is 0 or initial speed is 0, because we have starting from rest. So initial velocity is 0 and here final velocity is something. So here time is also 0. Okay, so this is the mid of the way and the distance between this from starting to mid of the way is 7.5 kilometers and this is also 7.5 kilometers, and a car is traveled 7.5 kilometers in time of 2 minutes. In 2 minutes, car traveled 7.5 kilometers and here also 2.5 minutes only time. See here, equal distances in equal interval of time. So this case is under uniform speed. Uniform speed. Okay, uniform speed means equal distances. We have to cover equal distances in equal interval of time. See here, equal distances in equal interval of time. So this case is considered as uniform speed. Okay. And next one, non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed. Non-uniform speed means we can say unequal distances in equal interval of time, equal distances in unequal interval of time, or unequal distances in unequal interval of time. Here three definitions are there. Unequal distances in unequal interval of time, and another definition, equal distances in unequal interval of time, and another definition, unequal distances in equal interval of time. Okay, so these are three definitions: unequal distances in unequal interval of time, equal distances in unequal interval of time, unequal distances in equal interval of time. Okay. So we have to remember one of the definition. Okay. So here, for example, I am taking this is the path, this is A and this is B, and this is one of the and the total distance of this path is 12 kilometers. Okay. So here I am taking time as 0 and initial speed is also 0. Okay. So I am taken as 3 parts, and first one 3 kilometers in 2.5 seconds. Sorry, 2.5 minutes. 3 kilometers in 2.5 minutes, and here 8 kilometers in 5 minutes, and here 1 kilometer in 6 minutes. Okay. So see here, unequal distances in unequal interval of time. So this is a case of non-uniform speed. Okay. So this non-uniform speed is also known as accelerated speed. Okay. So this is non-uniform motion or speed. Third one, instantaneous speed. Instantaneous speed means speed at particular instant. Okay. Speed at particular instant is known as instantaneous speed. Means here I am taken speed as 20 kmph, and time is 2.5 minutes. 2.5 minutes in 20 kmph in 2.5 minutes means I am taken as speed at particular time. Instant is also known as time. Okay. Speed given at particular instant, particular time is known as instantaneous speed. Okay. And types of speeds is completed. And our next subtopic, velocity. Velocity. So velocity means displacement at particular displacement per unit time. Displacement per unit time means velocity, v bar, because it is a vector quantity. How it is vector quantity means here velocity equals to displacement by time. Okay, here velocity means displacement by time. Displacement is vector. Vector by time means vector by scalar means vector only. So we can represent these quantities in a triangle. See, velocity v bar and this is s bar and t. Here I have to find velocity means displacement by time. Time means displacement by velocity. Displacement means velocity into time. We can represent speed also like this only. Speed, distance, time. Okay. So this is mathematical formula of velocity. And units are also same. Units same as speed. Same as speed means SI meter per second, CGS centimeter per second, bigger kmph. Okay. So these are the units and definition. And here velocity means displacement per unit time. Speed means distance per unit time. Okay. So in these types of velocities are there. Types of velocities. Types of velocities. So in this first one, uniform velocity. Uniform velocity, which means equal distances in equal interval of time, equal displacement in equal interval of time. And second one, non-uniform velocity. Non-uniform velocity, which means unequal displacements in unequal interval of time, unequal displacements in equal interval of time, and equal displacements in unequal interval of time, unequal displacements in unequal interval of time. So these are three non-uniform velocity definitions. And third one, instantaneous velocity. Instantaneous velocity, which means velocity at particular instant. Okay, velocity means velocity at particular instant. In instantaneous speed, we learned that speed at particular instant. In velocity, velocity at particular instant. Okay. Instantaneous velocity. Here, for measuring instantaneous velocity, one of the devices there, speedometer. Speedometer. Okay. So in another important point here, in magnitude, instantaneous speed is equals to instantaneous velocity. Okay, in magnitude only, not direction. Okay, so these are types of velocities and today topic is completed. ఈ వీడియో కనుక మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే ప్లీజ్ లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి. If you have any doubts, please comment on the comment box. Thank you.